Fraction in simplest form. Every time we have to put the fraction in simplest form. If we have 8 over 12, we can divide both by 4. Every time we have to divide by the same number. Every time we have to divide by the same number. 8 divided by 4, the answer is 2. 12 divided by 4, 3. Yes, this number right now in simplest form. 9 over 21. We can divide both by 3. 9 divided by 3, 3. 21 divided by 3, 7. The fraction in simplest form. 15 over 21. I can divide both also by 3. 15 divided by 3, 5. 21 divided by 3, 7. 25 divided by 35 over 35. We can divide both by 5. Divide by 5. Now 25 divided by 5, the answer is 5. 35 divided by 5, 7. The fraction simplest form. Every time we divide by the GCF. Every time. 14 over 49. We can divide both by 7. 14 divided by 7, 2. 49 divided by 7, 7. 6 over 14. We can divide by 2. And here also divide by 2. 6 divided by 2, 3. 14 divided by 2, 7. 28 over 35. We can divide both by 7. 28 divided by 7, 4. Over 35 divided by 7, it's 5. Now, if we have a multiplication, how we can solve the multiplication and put the answer also in simplest form? Look here. If we have a multiplication sign, we have another option here. You can simplify any numerator with any denominator. You can simplify 4 with 8, both of them divisible by 4. Or we can write this, 1 times 4. 4 is equal 1 times 4. 8 is equals to 2 times 4. Now we can cancel 4 together. Look at the other part here. We can't. 5 and 9. We can't divide both of them by the same number. Now we can find the answer. 1 times 5. The answer is 5. 9 times 2. It's 18. Yes, the answer here is already in simplest form. Why? Because we finished the simplest form at the beginning. We have another one. We have 7 over 12 multiplied by 14 over 25. 14 and 12. 14 is 2 times 7. 12 is 2 times 6. We can simplify 2 with this 2. Now we have 7 times 7. The answer is 49. Over 6 multiplied by 25 is 150. Now another one. 6 over 21 multiplied by 10 over 25. We can simplify here 10 with the 25. Why? Because 2 times 5 gives me 10, and here 5 times 5, 25. Now this 5 goes with the other 5. We have here, or before we can multiply also, I can divide both here by the same number 3. Or I can say 2 multiplied by 3, and 21 is 3 multiplied by 7. Now I can cancel the numbers together. 3 with 3, we still have 2 and 7. And here 5 with 5 we still have 2 and the other 5. Now we can multiply. 2 times 2 it's 4. Then 7 multiply 5, the answer is 35. The same way here we can simplify. 8 and 28. 8 is 2 times 4 and here it's 4 times 7. We can cancel 4 with 4. 6 and 9. 6 is 2 times 3 and 9 is 3 times 3. We can cancel 3 with 3. Now we have 2 and 2 and from the denominator 3 and 7. Now we can multiply. 2 times 2 4, 3 times 7 21. This fraction in simplest form. Every time try to use multiplication to make the fraction in simplest form.